Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and hello to everyone. In this video, I would like to show how to perform Kruskal Wallis test. Kruskal Wallis test is a non-parametric test, and it is similar to one-way analysis of variance. One-way analysis of variance can be performed only when the test variable follows normal distribution. If it does not follow normal distribution, then in principle, we cannot perform one-way analysis of variance. In that case, we need to perform non-parametric test, such as Kruskal Wallis test. Now, before I proceed to give the demo, I would like to explain the variable which I will be using. So this is a questionnaire which we used to collect data from employees working in organizations. And we know that sometimes employees who are working in organizations, they get demotivated due to varieties of reasons. So in this backdrop, we compile just 10 motivating factors and we ask them to rank in terms of their preference, in terms of these factors appeal to them. Job security, promotion, good working condition, etc. If the factor is highly effective for them, the most effective for them, then rank should be 1. Second most effective or appealing to them is rank should be 2, and rank 3, rank 4. The least among the 10 should be rank 10. So in this case, the way we ask the question, the lower the rank, the higher is the preference. Just like that, job security, promotion, if job security is the most effective, then the rank should be 1, and then 2, then 3, like that. So lower is the rank, the higher is the preference. Now I will out of this 10, I will consider only one variable which I will be using for my demo on Kruskal Wallis test is the opportunity to grow through learning new things. Okay, so the SPSS file is this one. SPSS file is this one. I just a shortcut name, OPERT, that means opportunity to grow through learning new things. Now, let us test whether this variable follows normal distribution or not. So we click Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, and Explore, Reset, Opportunity to grow, and then Plots, Normality plots with test, Continue, okay. Now, the output is that test normality is the Kolmogorov-Smirnov test says it is not normal. Shapiro-Wilk test is also not normal. So we consider that this variable is not normally distributed. So we cannot perform, in principle, one-way analysis of variance. So in case if we go to perform one-way analysis of variance, then let us see what is the result. Compare means one-way ANOVA, reset, opportunity, and for the categorical variable where the level will be more than 2, I will consider educational qualification as a factor, and then click OK. And we see that the test is not significant. Test is not significant. We can also extend some more outputs. One-way analysis of variance, maybe options, descriptive, continue. Now I will take another variable which is race. There are 4 levels: Malay, Chinese, Indians, and others. So let us see. Now this test shows that the races, various races differ on the motivating factor opportunity to grow. So, but since the variable does not follow normal distribution, it is not permitted to use one-way analysis of variance. So in this case, we need to go to perform Kruskal Wallis test. So how to perform Kruskal Wallis test? So that's the core thing for this demo. So we click Analyze, Non-Parametric Test, Legacy Dialogues, and then K independent samples, because the number of levels should be more than 2. K independent samples, opportunity to grow, and we take education, qualification, and there are 5 levels here, so 1 to 5. In the questionnaire, there are 5 levels of education qualification, like certificate, professional, bachelor, master's, and doctorate. Continue, click OK. And the test is not significant. All right, test is not significant. Now we can perform the same with different categorical variable, okay, independent samples. Instead of education qualification, I will take race, and option descriptive, continue, define range, there are 4, Malay, Chinese, Indian, and others. So 1 to 4, continue, then click OK. Now we see that this test is significant. Kruskal Wallis test is significant. Chi-square is 12.865. Significant p-value is less than 0.01. So it is even 1% level. It is significant. So that means the various races, whereas the qualification has no implication in terms of difference on the preference on opportunity to grow through learning new things, but when I take race as the categorical variable, then the test is significant. And we can see that there are results here, mean rank. Chinese, that is the lowest. So this award is most preferred by the Chinese, followed by Malays, and then Indians. In a nutshell, we can conclude that the Kruskal Wallis test is significant. For qualification has nothing to do with the preference, but the race, actually various races differ in terms of preference on these motivating factors, which is opportunity to grow. So that's the conclusion. I hope that this video is useful. Thank you very much for watching.